We are here in Manila and we're going to Mall of Asia. We're just walking. We just walked for 5 minutes. About 5 minutes, I think. So many people here. And I'm with my handsome baby. She's so tall. Look guys, she's so tall. Second and then right. Ganito eh, second. Doon na tayo. Ano ba dito babe? Ano, may 7-Eleven also. Yan, dito tayo babe. Subway. Yummy, yummy. Yan na guys. We go inside this one?
Yeah.
Shortcut na? Shortcut na? Sila tayo sa loob ng mall. Yeah. Dried mango. Tikoy. Tikoy, babe. Tikoy. Oo. Oo. The tikoy. Wala pala akong selfie stick.
Yeah.
Someday I buy this one.
Oh yeah.
Someday. How much?
That one's 1200.
1,499. Almost 1,500. 1 peso na lang. Ang ganda ng pink, babe, oh. Let's see. Color pink. Wow! Ito, beautiful. How much? Oh. 1,500. Na?
Yeah, 15 and 12.
Many na. Many can put. We are here in Mawa. Yeah. Wow. Kung hay pat choy. Kung hay pat choy. Ah. It's nice, no? Walking distance lang, Mowa na.
Yeah.
Dapat pala, before you book na here, no?
Oh.
Oo. Before you first time you... Oh! I'll take picture you. There?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go. I'm here in the other side.
And
Ang bag ko, babe. Oh, picture. Do you like picture here? No. No. Oh, that's so beautiful.
TV up there.
Not in this morning, few people na, but
Yeah.
at night so many people na.
I don't think. I think shopping centres in Asia open at 10 o'clock.
Oo, 10.
Yeah.
What time is it, ba, babe?
Because I remember in Malaysia and Singapore it was like 10 o'clock.
Oh.
All open. 12.
Oo. Woo, beautiful, oh. Babe, wait. I'll take video this one, ah. Yes! Ay tayo dito, guys! Woo! So high, babe!
We got Bumblebee Ride, Ship Ride, Dream Twister.
Wow!
There you go, that bud. Take a few pictures there.
Smile! Ay, so pogi! Oh!
Must be one lap. The rest will take a while. Start walking it.
Ano to, babe?
Go left.
How you feel, babe?
Yeah, no, I feel pretty good, babe.
Babe, you're so handsome. Oh, what can you say, guys? You're so handsome, guys. Look, so poggy, super poggy.
Hey guys, I think she's just a bit maganda.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's maganda daw.
Oh, we're about halfway up. Yeah.
Oh, we're high now. Woo!
Hey, film, babe.
We're so high now, babe.
Yeah. Hey, we're changing direction. The boat. Nice view out there.
So pogi.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice view there, no? They put, this is ocean, babe, no? Where are we going?
These people.
Let's see the sea. Ay, hindi. Nakita na natin yan dun sa Ferris wheel.
There's selfie. Love that.
Oo. Take picture. Bumper car. Ayan, no, drop tower is so hot. I don't like.
You going up there?
I don't like.
I'm just but yeah, you would try it. All will go.
No.
Yeah, I like that there.
No, my blood will come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's all that stuff? Look out.
No. So fresh but hot. Yeah. Love heart.
There's this hotel right next to the dorm.
Where?
Right beside Dome, on the other side of Dome.
That one, diba, babe?
Yeah, the Dome.
Yeah?
And motel.
But it cannot see there in the much better the room is near.
Yeah.
near at the corner, at the side, so that we can see the view, no?
Yeah.
Oh, we only see the view there and the construction.
Wow.
Take pictures, baby.
Yeah.
On the heart.
Yeah.
Love blocks by the bay.